Ever wondered how your morning coffee gets from the field to your cup? It all begins with a humble cherry on a tree. Yes, you heard it right, a cherry. This is no ordinary cherry though, it's a coffee cherry. And it's typically grown in countries near the equator, like Colombia. Why Colombia, you might ask? Well, the location, climate and altitude all play a pivotal role in coffee production. The tropical climate and high altitudes of Colombia create the perfect conditions for these cherries to flourish. But let's not forget about the hard work that goes into getting these cherries from the tree to your cup. It's a labor-intensive process, where each cherry is carefully picked by hand. This ensures only the ripest and most flavorful cherries are chosen, keeping the quality of your coffee uncompromised. Once the cherries are picked, it's time to extract the beans, the key to your morning coffee. But how do we get from a cherry to the coffee bean? Well, it's a fascinating journey that requires both precision and care. The outer layer, or the pulp, of the cherry is removed, unveiling the hidden treasure inside, the coffee bean. The pulp removal can be achieved through a method called wet processing, where water is used to separate the pulp from the bean. Once we have our beans, it's time to dry them. This step is an absolute necessity as it prevents the growth of mold and bacteria that could potentially ruin the beans. The drying process can be done in two ways: naturally, under the sun, or mechanically, using specially designed machines. The beans are spread out and turned regularly to ensure even drying. Each method imparts a unique flavor profile to the beans, making them as diverse as the regions they come from. With the beans dried and ready, it's time to pack them up and send them off to roasters around the world. So how do these beans transform into your delicious cup of coffee? The magic truly begins with the roasting process. Just like popcorn, heat is applied to the green coffee beans, causing them to expand and change color. They transform from a vibrant green to a rich dark brown. As they roast, they release oils that give us the delightful aroma and flavor we associate with coffee. The art of roasting is a delicate balance. Too light, and the beans are sour and grassy. Too dark, they're bitter and burnt. Once roasted to perfection, the beans are then ground up. The size of the grind affects the taste, with a finer grind resulting in a stronger, more robust flavor. The ground coffee is then brewed, water coaxing out the flavors and aromas locked within each particle. And there you have it, your morning coffee's incredible journey from a small cherry in the fields of Colombia to the warming cup in your hands. So next time you sip your coffee, remember the journey it has taken to get to you.